Are you ready to draw sadness?
Me too. Let's get started.
All right, now to get started with a little sadness, we're going to find the middle of our paper. Right about the middle, we're going to draw a nice long U from one side to the other. From there, I'm going to draw a long curved C. Same thing on the other side, but backwards. And then I'm going to follow from one side to the other with a little curve to it as well, coming back across. Right in the middle, we're just going to make a line top to bottom. About a finger space away, another line, top to bottom. Finger space. We're going to keep it going. There we go, all the way across. Now right below, not all the way out on the edge, just a little bit in. We want a line coming straight down. Same thing on the other side, coming straight down, and they should be about the same length. There we go. Even it out. And then we're going to draw a line just coming across from one side to the other. Over on this side, we're going to do a really small C and a small one on this side as well. And then we're going to follow that across and attach. Same lines. We can kind of follow from the top to the bottom. One there, maybe one there. There we go. All right, now, starting over here by about my second line, I'm going to draw a diagonal coming in. Same thing on the other side, but they're not going to touch. We're going to have a little space in between. From that space, I'm going to draw a diagonal coming back and a diagonal coming back. A little longer for that one. And then from there, I'm going to draw a line curving out and up, and curving out and up. Right here, I'm going to draw a line curving over all the way around to the other side. It kind of looks like a long, skinny oval. Same thing on this side, curving around. And I'm going to put two lines spread out inside there on each side. Now on this side, starting on the far side, I'm going to just do a little curved hand. And on the other side, I'm going to curve and attach and finish it on the other side. Just like that. Starting out here on this side, kind of underneath that line, I'm going to do a diagonal coming in. Same thing over here, a diagonal coming in. Those are the same length. Make that one a little longer. There we go. Now I'm going to draw a straight line coming in and a straight line coming in. And they should be about the same length as well. From each of those, I'm going to do a curved line coming back out, curved line coming back out. Then from there, I'm just going to make a nice tall mountain from one side to the other. And those are her feet. They're pointed in at each other. Down here where I did that curve, I'm just going to draw a connecting line coming down on each side for her toe. And right at the top of that line, where that line started, I'm just going to draw a line straight across on both sides. There we go. Starting over here, I'm going to consider this the bottom of my circle, and my circle is going to continue. Nice and big, continuing around and stopping right when it gets above there. Down here, in the middle of this, right there, which is like the neck of her sweater, we're going to draw a U coming out and up. It's kind of thin. Let me thicken it up there. There we go. From here, I'm going to curve it in and then bring it up, and I can attach. There we go. Now I'm going to come from this corner of the sweater, and I'm just going to do a line coming up with a little diagonal to it. Starting above it, I'm going to do a curved line coming down. And I want that to be a point, so I'm going to come up off of it like a V and come up. Coming over to this side, I'm going to start about a finger up, and I'm going to draw a line coming almost straight in, and then I'm going to do a follow along line. So I'm just going to follow my circle and stop up here at the top. Here we go. Now from here, I want to do a small curve down and then wave it up and attach. Now for the eyes, I want to come right by this V, and I'm going to draw a nice good size circle and put about a finger width apart. And I want this eye to be a little higher, but about the same size. So they're about the same size. And I want inside, I'm going to put a circle on this side of this circle and on this side of this circle. All right, now I'm going to draw a nice big circle, and it's going to follow right by here, but then it's going to go out bigger because we've got some nice big glasses. So it's nice and close there, but then it gets nice and big. Same thing with this side, but we're going to be close on this side, and then we're going to come out wide over here. You want it about the same size again. So try to make it close to the same size. Right between those two, we're just going to draw that little mountain to connect. Now down below it here, I'm going to do a curved line that just curves down. Because remember, she said. And that's it. Now we can go ahead and start coloring. Are you ready to see my final drawing?
There she is.
Thanks so much for coming to join us. Be sure to check out all of our exciting videos because we have tons of drawing videos, but we also have so much more. See you guys again soon. Bye.